happens to us and the earth on the day of Akshaya Tritiya according to science? Now, there are three major changes that occur. Firstly, the sunlight is supercharged. In late April and early May, sunlight at 20 degrees to 30 degrees north gives you 10% more UVB rays per minute. So for humans, that means your body is, faster absorbing that vitamin D synthesis, improving your serotonin levels, and this results in, boosting your mood and the energy level that also supports your body's natural process. And the same is happening on the earth also, because there is an upsurge in the plant photosynthesis. This indicates how the agriculture growth rates are higher, and this is a reason why there is a calendar change from an agricultural point of view. The second change that occurs during Akshaya Tritiya is that the Earth's magnetic field is calm, and this calmness creates, it's creating more calmer and focused vibes. So on Akshaya Tritiya, the alignment of the sun and moon creates a very peaceful energy around the Earth. Geomagnetic field are more stable, which means that our parasympathetic nervous system is more active, which makes us more relaxed and centered. Now, this again matches with the ancient idea that this is a great time for sadhana, meditation, mantra chanting, planning, starting something new, anything that you want to start. And the last change that occurs is that it resets your circadian rhythm, which is your body's natural clock. Now, the combination of the earlier dawn light, the mild nighttime geomagnetism, and increasing atmosphere temperature acts as a cue for melatonin cycle shift, giving you a very jet lag feeling, and it adjusts, the body adjusts without any travel. In simple words, this shift can make you feel more energized during the day, and it helps you balance your digestion. So as per Ayurveda, also this is a heightened Pitta Agni, the digestive fire. So Ayurveda recommends that during this time you should do charity and mindful eating, so that you can to lock that metabolic upswing that you're having in your body, to take full advantage of it.